Luke here at the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. For the next several days, we're meeting up with friends to go digging for clams, looking for fossils, fishing for halibut, cooking good food, and we're camping in the snow in the middle of May. Welcome to Alaska. You dropped the GoPro over the boat?
I dropped the GoPro over.
Right. Do you have a magnet? I absolutely love this boat. I'm a little jealous, Ivan. This is a nice boat.
We love our boat.
You can fit a four-wheeler on this thing, right?
You can fit 3 4-wheelers on it.
Jeez. Well, guys, we are going on a little adventure here with the Kilcher family. We've got Ivan, Eve, and their kids, Finley and Sparrow. Where are they?
Just stick it down there.
Oh my goodness! They got kids in the hole. That is so awesome. This boat just gets awesomer.
I'm gonna try magnet fishing. It's set it over there on its.
Gonna do a little magnet fishing here. You usually will feel it go clink.
Oh, I feel like I got something. That's it.
Tom, can you reach down there? There you go.
Nice. Happy day.
It's still running.
Woo! Well, Ivan, you know what that means? Not skunked.
Not skunked.
We're not skunked.
Successful fishing.
I mean, we're catching them right off the dock here, man. I did something to try to help the weather improve. My wife told me to bring sunscreen and I poo-pooed her and said, no, that's not necessary. And anytime I disagree with my wife, it turned out to be wrong. So there's a really good chance we're all gonna get sunburned today. All right, guys, welcome to Homer, Alaska. We're just gonna head out into Kachemak Bay and into Cook Inlet. So today is supposed to have some of the biggest tides of the year. We're supposed to have a -5-foot tide. And when you have really extreme low tides, that means good clam digging. Tommy's introducing Sparrow and Finley to our healthy diet here of Chips Ahoy for breakfast. It's a sea otter. There's another sea otter. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them out right there. This area is so beautiful. There's just tons of sea otters and seals. Later in the year, you'll see whales. Right now, we're going through a kelp forest. See right here? Those are huge pieces of bull kelp. They get like 100 feet long, but they're also edible. See this? So this is bull kelp. It's got this floating ball on the top. It's hollow, and so there's air in it. That makes it float up so the leaves can photosynthesize. That was aggressive.
We'll collect it for our garden too.
Yeah.
It's really good fertilizer.
I made kelp pickles with it before, and I really liked them, actually. It's just basically take a basic pickle recipe and just don't add any extra salt.
Yeah. It tastes salty.
Here, grab that little piece.
The dry
Tastes like a salty cabbage.
Got a good crunch, but loads of salt. You know what I'd like to do is a kimchi recipe with kelp. Nom, 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 nom. Oh.
And I was like,
We're heading towards the Alaska Peninsula, and right out there, those mountains are all volcanoes. When I was a kid, several of them erupted and dumped ash all over our house. So right now we're only about 5-6 feet of water, and you can see these huge mud flats that have been exposed by the low tide. We're gonna see if we can't sneak in. Gotta keep an eye out for rocks. There's a few big ones. So Tom, the water right now is about that deep on you.
We're out in the ocean. Yeah.
Tom, you got the clam bazooka?
You like myth battles.
But I just don't want to land in a way that cripples your child. I didn't step on you. Good.
Ah. You got a heavy load.
Pull, you scurvy sea dog.
Is that the captain of the Titanic?
There you go.
I got the
Clam gun?
So we're looking for razor clams and butter clams. They live about 1 foot or 2 under the silt, and there'll be a little dimple that marks where they're hiding. And we, oh,
Right here.
Oh.
get about halfway down. Oh, yeah, you might be.
That might have been it.
Keep going down a little bit further. Now put your thumb over the hole. And now this is the hard part. You got to pull it up. Okay, keep pulling. He's fighting. Now they'll dump it off and now kick it around and see if it's in there. And then sometimes you get close. Right there. See, look at this.
Found him?
Yeah, see ya? See, that's that little crunch noise we heard. You crunched them. That's about a medium-sized one right there. That's one razor clam. So this right here is a clam gun. It's just a piece of PVC pipe with a cap on one end and a hole. And you shove it down in the silt. You put your finger over the hole and you pull it up and the silt of the clam comes with it. We only have about maybe an hour till the tide comes up and covers us all with water, so we gotta work quickly. There's only a few hours every year where these clam beds are exposed to the air and we can dig them, so we gotta act quickly. See right there how this is different color? And it's like a little bit right there? Dig next to it. Oh, look at that! It's a butter clam. It's a big butter clam.
It was a different kind of a hole. That's a nice one.
Yeah, I see a bunch of them. So here's another one. No, look at that. See it? See, look at how the hole opened up?
Yeah.
I'm like 70% sure these are called butter clams. I'm gonna go and look it up when I'm doing my editing, and you're gonna find out that I'm wrong. I'm gonna have to erase all the stuff where we call it the wrong thing. Oh, look at that. Now, I've dug razor clams a number of times, but I've never really gotten into these types of clams before. There's a number of clams that look just like this. Some are called little neck clams, some are called butter clams, and there's a few others. I am pretty sure these are the butter clams, but I'm gonna have to go look it up when I get home.
Yep. Oh, there we go.
There!
Yeah.
Wow.
That was
Oh, he put up a fight. Oh, there.
This may be a
Oh, look at this one, a cockle.
cockles are
Wow.
Oh,
cockle! We found a cockle!
oh, look at that. That is great.
Can you eat that?
Yeah, these are great. That's a cockle. That's cool.
Oh, cool.
Look at that.
That guy.
These things up. This is. Oh, look at that double hole. Double hole.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, there's. Oh, look at that. Check it out. There's a sandworm right there. Those make good bait. There you go.
Hey, I found one. There's a hole right here.
Yeah.
We're finding a whole bunch of these butter ones.
Oh, look at this. There's a little baby razor clam in there.
Put him back.
Yeah, we're gonna put him back. As soon as you feel anything, you touch it. Just
Found one.
there we go. Look how quick the tide's coming up. The spot where we landed is already underwater. There's a bunch in here. There's another one. The different clams leave a different kind of hole in the sand. The razor clams leave a nice little dimple, kind of oval shaped. With the butter clams, you just kind of see this, where there's like a lighter color silt. And when you put the shovel underneath it, the hole appears. There he goes.
Or a little flounder. Look at how little it is.
Oh, cute.
Look at
It's such a cute little baby
Actually,
fish.
he looks like a little baby arrowhead or arrowtooth flounder. He's got that long, skinny look.
Oh yeah.
You guys finding any razor clams? Or just
Yes, butters.
all right. Oh, he's spinning up.
Close.
Oh, look how big that hole gets. Yeah. Oh, scrape. Yeah. Oh, that was a big boy.
Look at that.
You found a trophy one. See right there, there's one. Oh, you see, there's the hole. Whew. You found a patch of razor clam?
We found a
Yeah, nice, big boy. Could you still see right there?
butter.
We're just gonna keep the real big ones. We're gonna send that one back. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, there's a couple in this hole. Oh, you can see right there. See, look at that. That's a clam, right? Okay, my pants are starting to fall down. Oh, that's a nice size razor clam.
Nice size razor. And sometimes they'll start digging their way back down.
What'd you find, Tom?
That's the razor clam that I found in his hole.
That is the tiniest baby razor clam. He's so adorable.
Uh-oh, my kayak.
Oh,
Save the kayak, boys.
the tides are coming. It's coming quick. You can see how fast the tide's coming in. And it'll speed up as we get closer to mid-tide. Oh guys, check this out. Guy's like a hermit crab. Look at the size of that guy. Isn't he pretty?
That's the biggest hermit crab I've ever seen.
See this little hole right here? This is where a sea otter dug up a clam. Because these clams don't sit too far below the surface, the sea otters love to eat them. They'll dive down under the water and dig these up. Tom, I think you're gonna be lost to the sea soon. Oh, buddy. Here, hold this.
I feel him.
Here, we better retreat, Tom. Ivan's taking the kayak to go head back to the boat to go get the little dinghy to get us all back on there, but the tide's coming in so fast. You got one, Tom?
Yeah, it was a skinny hole in the ground.
Yeah, a little skinny hole, right? Yeah.
Here, Dad, can you help me hold
Oh,
this one?
jeez, you're in China.
I feel him.
Oh, Tom, look, right here.
I found him. Woo!
There you go.
I got one. Yeah.
You got one, Tom. Here, you want to put them in there?
Time to pick up the shovels. We gotta go.
Ooh. Oh, I mushed him. But there's a razor clam. I think we're starting to get into them because we're higher up on the beach. Running from the tide. Oh, that's a brilliant hole right here. Here, watch that. See that hole right there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go. You're right, Sparrow. I gotta go fast. Oh no! Oh, hold on. Oh, Tom, you better hurry. The tide's coming. We might want to
Start walking that way.
Yeah. Hey, you want me to pick up Sparrow?
Yeah, that would be awesome.
You're a steed, milady.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, Tommy, stay close.
You made this a minefield for us.
Sparrow? Dude, the tide don't play here in Alaska.
It sure doesn't.
Over there in Homer, they get a 30-foot tide. I thought about putting on my hip waders and I didn't. So I've got about now. I think I need to hop in.
You can help by rowing.
Yeah. So guys, what do you think? Was that cool?
Yeah, that was awesome.
You like running for your life at the end? Was that cool?
Yeah.
Ah, great. Yeah. Anytime you get clams and you don't die, it's a good day. I got silt and sand everywhere. Sit here. Are you guys good with lunches? I don't know if you need anything extra. As always, I brought a ton of food on this trip and I got some stuff I'm pretty excited about. Strawberries and check it out, dark chocolate dessert hummus. I don't know what that is, but I'm excited. It smells like pretentious frosting. I love it.
Oh boy. Oh! How you do? my goodness. You can say it's healthy. Oh,
word.
word.
That's so good.
Ride this train with us. It's a good train.
Look at you.
Sparrow, you have your priorities straight.
Oh, yeah.
They need to start selling it in 5-gallon buckets.
I know.
I'm gonna be a good boy, not just eat chocolate hummus.
Hardly it's.
Well, Ivan, you want to try doing some fishing?
No, somewhere in there.
Just saw some doll porpoises rising. Great. I'm not getting stepped on or something. Yeah, I kind of stepped on one of them.
Mark! Brother! Oh, sorry.
Go in there.
She's be like, well,
Okay, we're gonna switch. Look, there's an old cannery over there. Back in the days before they had refrigeration, they would have these canneries out here right next to the ocean, so they'd catch the fish and can it, and then they could ship it out all over the world. But I think somebody still lives there. There's a sauna right there.
Yeah, go for it. I don't think it's going to show you very much right now.
Well, it's getting a little close to dinner time, and we're gonna try to set up camp and build a fire, so we're looking for firewood.
Yeah.
charge!
What do you guys think? Think we can get some wood off this? What have I saw?
But it doesn't always make sense to do.
Look where we found.
What?
I don't want to push the door.
The house isn't there quite yet. If you want to do the hatchet,
Oh, well, we did the fun part. Now for the hard part.
I know.
That is a pile, though.
oh my god.
How much fireworks?
All right.
We both have boots.
Okay, sure.
I found it.
There we go. You want any macaroni salad or potato chips?
In the burger.
Yeah, put the potato chips in the burger.
It is very good.
It's pretty good.
Got one ready right now.
Pharaoh, do you want to come? Why don't you have some burgers and salt? Is the change?
Rod just got another bite. Not a big bite, but a bite.
Perfect.
Little seasoned fish fry.
Yeah, or
See.
you can have a big piece.
I'm gonna try some of these clams.
I think that's the butter. Is that who loves clams so much?
There's Pharaoh.
The butter clam bit was real good.
Yeah.
We realized we made an important mistake. We forgot the pie on the boat. These brave men are going to go get the pie. They might just take the pie and leave us.
I know.
Yeah. Getting some more hits on the rod. Hey,
With the pie!
with the pie. We have an apple toffee pie here because, hey, we camp in style.
There
Would you
go.
like whipped cream?
Yes.
You tell me when.
When?
All right.
Ready?
There you go.
Perfect. Thank you.
I know we got to try to get some fish. It'd be good.
Stay up for 2 million.
Oh, what do we got here?
We got a flounder.
What?
Oh, I thought something was messing with it. A nice little flounder. That's not a bad one. Look at that. Nice little flounder. They don't get a ton bigger than this. What do you think? Should we set them back?
Yeah.
I think so.
Whoop.
Mushy.
Yeah, they're kind of mushy. A lot of people steam them.
Interesting.
Steam them or fry them.
Not skunked.
Not skunked. Ah!
You guys here, so.
I will not leave you stranded.
Oh, I appreciate that. I can change. Come back. The tide's going out aggressively, and the boat's gonna get high and dry soon. So they're gonna head out and move the boat, and they're gonna sleep on the boat tonight. But me and Tom are gonna sleep over there. I think it's time to set up our tent, but we can't set it up on the beach. The tide's gonna be really high tonight. I estimate the tide line's gonna be somewhere around here. Right here looks like a spot. Wow, look how much the tide's got out. Fire. It's pretty late and we got to get up early in the morning, so I'm gonna go to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Well, this isn't right. It's not supposed to be snowing. I'm glad I put all this wood under the tarp. It was a little cold last night, wasn't it?
Yeah. It snowed.
Got some mint truffle hot chocolate here. Here you go, buddy. Take that and be warm, my son. Oh. We're making chocolate pancakes. All I'm doing is just adding hot chocolate mix to the pancake batter. Here, you want some? Hold on. There you go, you like that?
Yes.
All right, enjoy. You found a fossil? Let me take a... Oh yeah, you did find a fossil. Look at that. What is that? Like a bit of a shell in there. I think the Kilchers are tired of watching us eat pancakes without them. Well, I'm glad you guys made it.
I know.
You like bacon, Finley? Yeah, you do. All right. There you go. See, the key is to put sugar on top of your sugary pancakes with extra sugar. I'm kind of the dietary version of the drug dealer that hangs outside of elementary schools.
The weather did say.
That's
pretty good.
You got the syrup. Look at that. Mount Vesuvius of whipped cream there.
Oh, so good.
Well, we got breakfast in us. I think it's time to clean up and get out of here. We're gonna go try to go fossil hunting. Awfully snowy for the middle of May.
The way it's like, I'll take us out a little deeper.
Row, row, row your boat.
A determined individual.
Ooh, it's nice and warm in here, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I think we're here.
Fully support. That beach full of rocks over there is supposed to have some fossils. Since it's low tide, we're gonna go see if we can't find some. Best weather ever. Ready. I found a crab leg. Look at the size of this mussel. It must be a gym bro. Check it out, you got a starfish.
It's a sun star.
Sun star, nice. Oh, look at
Yeah.
Dad, look at this.
that.
Oh, gotcha.
It's a little shrimp.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, put it back in there, let it get bigger. Well. Oh, look at it.
Fish.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh,
Well, yeah, see?
don't let him.
They get a lot bigger than this. A little,
Beautiful.
that's awesome.
Do you feel he's vibrating?
Yeah, they grunt. They kind of do this like. Rah, rah, rah. Look at that. Cool crab. Ivan says that's a decorator crab. I've never seen one of those.
Those are like
Here, look.
Those are huge mussels.
on.
You must work out.
I do. I've got the biggest muscles on the beach for sure.
Oh yeah. I don't know how he can carry that kayak now. Oh, I know, because he's got such big muscles. Now we came to this beach to try to find fossils, but the hard part is the rocks are starting to get covered in snow, and it's really hard to tell if there's fossils in them or not. Oh, look at this, right here. It's a giant ammonite nodule. Perfectly round, that is. So an ammonite is a giant spiral prehistoric squid thing. When you find their fossils, they're encased in like an egg of this clay sediment. So a really good chance there's an ammonite fossil in there, but I need a sledgehammer to pop it open. You know, it's harder to fossil hunt when everything gets covered in snow. You guys find some? Oh. Oh yeah, look at that.
They get better.
There's like an imprint of a shell right there. Oh yeah. It's a fossilized shell right there.
Okay, look at this one.
Whole layer right up there. Oh, here's some shell right in here. This is all shell. This whole layer right here.
To them up there. If you just look.
That probably is a big ammonite. It's pretty full. It would be.
Oh, look at this right here. Oh, that's a big one right there.
So it looks like an ammonite.
Yeah, that's the impression left behind. Oh, look at this thing.
The creature.
That looks like it's gonna burrow into my ear and lay eggs.
Yeah, if it burrows into your ear, then you become extremely suggestive. I saw this in a movie once. And there could be a lot more fossils here, but they're all covered in snow. Now, this may be hard to believe at home, but some of us are a little bit cold. So I think we're gonna head back to the boat.
We're heavy, but it's full pretty good because.
You know, there's just something about this spring weather. You know? Gets you all excited to get out. Not good. I'll tell you what, it got a little nippy. But we saw some fossils and some cool tidal pools. No, it was worth it.
Good day. So much gelatin. It's moose raspberry jello.
That sounds awesome. It's cheat day, so oh, thank you. See, if you're gonna eat this much chili, Finley, you gotta keep your rain pants on. Keeps the farts in. that sunlight? Look at this! Ah, I'm outside and I'm not hypothermic. Alrighty. About 120 feet or something?
Yeah.
Oh.
You got something?
I got something.
Oh, Luke's got something.
It's a cod.
Oh, it's a cod. We like cod.
Yeah, cod's good.
Take cod.
Look at that. Well, the nice thing about cod is they run in schools. If there's one, there's probably more. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, nice cod. Oh, there we go.
Nope.
There he is on. Oh.
Before I even got one.
Oh, there's one. Oh, nice one though.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice. There we go.
Got a halibut.
Nice.
Not too big a one, but that's
I
a
reeled
decent
it
halibut.
up.
That's a decent halibut. Tommy's got one here. All right. There's a big school of cod under the boat and they're eating sand eels. That's a sand eel. That's a sand eel. That's all sand eels. We did pretty good, but the current's ripping too hard, so we gotta move spots. Just go for it.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna
I feel like I got something. Oh, a sea robin.
Okay.
Oh, he's pretty.
That is a pretty.
Look at that.
Yep.
Just give him a little nudge.
I'm like, he's so boozy.
Well, we tried that for a little bit. Didn't see much action, but I think it's time to get out of here. We got a couple kids that are pretty tired. It's hard to believe we were being snowed on a few hours ago. Ivan, thanks so much. That was a great time.
Thanks for coming, Luke.
If you don't know, Ivan actually has a YouTube channel where he does a lot of adventures like this. If you guys want to see that, I'll put a link in the video description below, so make sure to check out his YouTube channel. Now we have to go home and clean everything.
So much wet and muddy.
Ugh. All right, thanks, Ivan. Hey, thank you. Here, we got it? Ah. Oh.
I know!
If you like that video, make sure to check out the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of videos just like this. And if you want to see our newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe so you'll get notifications.